Let's learn how to tag someone in comments on Facebook. It's very simple and can be done in just a few steps. If you want to follow all the steps on how to do this, just stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is find and open the Facebook app on your phone or computer. Make sure you are logged into the account from which you want to tag someone. Once you're sure you're logged into the correct account, we can start. When the Facebook app opens on your phone or computer, stay on the home page that opens automatically when you enter Facebook. First, you need to find the post on which you want to tag someone. Once you have found the post where you want to tag someone, you will see the option Comments below it. Click on the Comments option, and when you click on it, the page with all the comments on that post will open. The keyboard will also pop up, and to tag someone, you need to type $, and then the name of your friend whom you want to tag in that post. After you have typed the name of the friend you want to tag in that post, click the blue button in the top right corner of the keyboard. When you click that blue button in the top right corner of the keyboard, you have successfully tagged your friend in a post. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.